In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders and upload files inside GitHub repository in a simple way. We'll do everything right in the browser so you don't need any command line tools. Start by signing into GitHub and heading to your dashboard. From there, open the repository where you want to work. You should land on the Code tab, which shows your files and folders. To create a new folder using the web interface, click the Add File button near the top right and choose Create New File. GitHub creates folders when you type a path in the file name box, so in the Name Your File field, type your new folder name, followed by a /, and then a file name. For example, you might type something like docs/readme.md. The / tells GitHub to create the folder, and the file name ensures the folder isn't empty, because Git doesn't store empty folders. If you don't have a specific file yet, a simple placeholder like readme.md or .gitkeep is fine. Below the editor, add a short, clear commit message describing what you're doing, such as create docs folder with readme. You'll see options for how to apply the change. Choose whether to commit directly to the default branch or to create a new branch for a pull request, depending on your workflow. When you're ready, click Commit Changes. GitHub will save the file and create the folder path you specified. Now let's upload files. Back on the repository's code page, click Add File again and select Upload Files. You'll see an upload area where you can drag and drop files from your computer or click to browse and select them. If you want to upload into a specific folder, navigate into that folder first before clicking Upload Files, or type the folder path at the top if GitHub shows a path box on the upload page. Once your files are listed, scroll down and enter a helpful commit message like Upload Project Assets. Again, choose the commit option that matches your process, then click Commit Changes. Your files will appear in the repository exactly where you place them. That's it. You've created a new folder by specifying a path in the file name field and uploaded files through the web interface. Remember to keep commit messages meaningful so your history stays clear, and consider using branches when you want changes reviewed.